The solid oak wine wall is available in any width between 1.175 and 3 metres, depth 710 millimetres and height up to 2.2 metres. Note that a further 350 millimetres of height is required above the cabinet to accommodate the height of the cooling unit, which sits atop the cabinet, and to allow for adequate ventilation. The solid oak racking comprises 6 columns of sliding case racks, 2 cases high at the bottom with a shelf above. On top of the shelf there are 2 cubes to the left and 2 to the right, and 10 columns of individual bottles racks in between. Total capacity is 414 bottles, including those in the 12 cases. All racking is made to order, so we can incorporate any changes you may wish to make. For example, you may wish to add some more case racking or replace the case racking with more cubes or individual bottle storage. Please contact us for more information.